Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the SOUNDCORE Space One headphones, and today I'm going to tell you how you can easily enable or disable LDAC codec. So here we are now in the SOUNDCORE application, and in the application you have to click this gear icon in the top right corner. Here we have to click sound mode, and here we have the preferred audio quality LDAC. We have to tap on that to enable LDAC. Now agree. And now we have the update firmware. We have to click download, install. Of course, we mustn't really disturb the connection between our headphones and our phone during this update. As you can see, now we have 25%. Now our headphones are being restarted. It may take a while, so don't worry. As you can see, we are more than 75% after the restarting process. And all is finished. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.